And I will try here first and also this part here. And you can also just simply flat the surface at that area. I've been exploring all the new possibility of how to using new technology to inspire designers. And I come to researching with the soft robotics.
Soft robotics is a new and emerging technology and has so many more benefits than hard robotics. It can be used for more comfortability and more ease of use flexibility.
In between the two sides, there's gonna be an ear channel. I've never really worked with robotics before. My background is more in interior architecture, so I'm more working with buildings, but I know how to 3D model digitally, so I've had to work on that with my project.
My students coming also from different disciplines, some of them from STEM field, some from humanity field, and they're working together for their own initiative project.
What I found out through that first collaboration was how my electrical engineering side and her artistic side was actually very compatible. And so having her creative eyes on the project helped me to be more creative in my designs as well, and helping her learn how to do the more electrical sides. She was actually a fast learner. She learned how to solder within 20 minutes, which is something that a third-year electrical engineering student would take a whole lab to do. But I was impressed by how fast she learns too.
I encourage to have their own design and research project. They have their own passion and research directions, even as I give them the same materials.
For my wearable device, I wanted to create a glove that can be used to manipulate instruments that are in the computer. And it's that feedback, that haptic feedback that the user would be feeling when controlling their instruments.
My device is basically a wearable device worn on the head, and it's based off of biomimicry of a passion flower. I wanted to create a soft robotic device that was kind of weird, funky, and quirky, and allow people to express themselves without saying anything. From there, there's going to be a heart rate sensor down by the neck or earlobe, connected up to this tentacle, pushing air through this tentacle and allow it to move.
There is a lot of room for improvement for soft robotics. That's where our research comes into play. It's such a new idea within the past decade, and so there's more room to see where it can go in the future.
I haven't worked with any of this stuff before, so that means a lot to me to be able to bring in my own background and then kind of combine it with this new technology.
It was fun, and I'm still going to be able to try to continue this. I'm grateful for the opportunity.